What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Santa's mailbox. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw a straight line going across from left to right. So we'll start on the left side, go all the way across to right about there. Now halfway along this line, we're going to draw a straight line going up the middle. Now let's place the mail inside the box. So we're going to step up, draw a straight line going across, straight down. Let's add that flap. From the top right corner, come across at an angle, and then bend that up. Let's add another letter in behind. From the top, step down, go across, and then down, and then again, drawing a straight angled line. Let's add a candy cane. From here, curl this around, and then in, round at the end. I'm just gonna follow that curve going up, and then back in behind the mail. Let's add those stripes. From the top, bend this across and over. It's going to work our way out towards the end of the cane. Let's add one more letter inside. From here, go straight out, straight down, and then draw that angled line. Now I want to finish off the inside of the box. So from the top left side, round this out, go across, and then bring that straight down. Let's move over towards the left side. We're going to draw a circle. Add a smaller circle in the center. Now from the top left side, draw a straight line going up, go out towards the left, pull this up towards the top. Now we're going to come back across towards the right, and we'll pull that straight down. Let's go up to the top of this curve, draw a straight line coming back in. Let's go over towards the left side, bend this out, and then down towards the bottom. Now I want to add Santa's hat on the edge, so we're going to start with the brim, starting here, curl this around, go up, and just pull that in. Let's continue on the right and come down on top of the box. Let's add a trim. From here, we're going to step over, follow that curve coming around, and then down. Now we're going to add a thick base across the bottom. From here, draw a straight line coming down, go underneath the cane, and then again, drawing a straight line going across. Now we're going to go back and finish off the hat. Let's start from the top, bend this across, and out, bend this around, and then in towards the bottom. Now we'll add a circle across the tip. Let's go up towards the bottom of the hat brim, bend this out and then up to create a fold. Now going back to the ball, go up, then in underneath. Now underneath the box, we're going to add some icicles. From here, step in, angle this down, and then pull that up. Now we can wobble these lines to make it look a little bit more realistic. Let's add another one over on the right, going a little bit lower, and back up toward the top. Add one more on the right. Now let's move to the center of the box and add the pole. We're going to leave a gap in the middle, start on the left side, draw a straight line coming all the way down toward the bottom. Now we're going to move over towards the right underneath this icicle, draw that same length line, and we'll draw the base. Stepping over toward the left, curve this down, and then up. Let's draw the snow mound in behind, starting on the top left, then out and then down, line it up on the right, and above this out, and then in. Let's add a couple more curves across the bottom, going over towards the right. And then we'll add those stripes going across that pole, starting from the top left, then it's up, over, step down, and continue down towards the bottom. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how you draw Santa's mailbox. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.